Every day, life throws challenges at us: stress, uncertainty, pressure, and moments when emotions try to take control. The Daily Stoic by Ryan Holiday and Stephen Hanselman is a powerful guide that brings 2,000-year-old wisdom into our modern, chaotic world. The book delivers 366 short meditations, each rooted in the teachings of Stoic masters like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, Epictetus, Musonius Rufus, and others. These daily lessons train the mind to stay calm, resilient, disciplined, and deeply grounded no matter what life brings. The book is structured around three major pillars of Stoicism: perception, how you see the world; action, how you respond; will, how you endure and accept. Let's break down these teachings in a powerful, practical way.
Number 1. Perception. Control your view, control your life. Stoicism teaches that our suffering often comes not from events themselves, but from our judgment of them. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." This means clarity begins with stepping back from emotions and asking, is this within my control? Am I reacting or responding? What story am I telling myself? Ryan Holiday emphasizes that perspective is your superpower. If you train yourself to look at challenges differently, obstacles become opportunities. Problems become teachers. Setbacks become a path for growth. Instead of asking, why is this happening to me? The Stoic mind asks, how can this make me stronger? This shift alone can transform your entire life.
Number 2. Action. Do the right thing, consistently. Knowledge means nothing without action. Stoics believe that virtue is the highest good, and virtue is expressed through daily behavior. The book teaches you to take action without waiting for perfect conditions. Stay disciplined even when motivation fades. Focus on progress, not perfection. Be honest, courageous, and fair in everything you do. Seneca wrote, "Luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity." So the Stoic takes responsibility, works steadily, avoids laziness, and acts with purpose. The Daily Stoic reminds us to practice excellence in small moments, because big results come from tiny daily actions.
Number 3. Will, inner strength for hard times. Life will test you through loss, failure, betrayal, uncertainty, and unexpected storms. Stoicism teaches us how to endure with dignity. This is the power of will, the ability to accept what you cannot change while still controlling your attitude and effort. Epictetus said, "When something happens, the only thing in your power is to choose your response." This means, accept reality instead of wishing it were different. Build resilience through challenges. Stay strong when circumstances are not ideal. Be grateful for what remains in your control. The book teaches that adversity is not your enemy, it is your training ground. Every hardship can sharpen your inner strength.
Daily practices. The book emphasizes. Throughout the 366 messages, the book gives practical routines that shape a Stoic mindset. Morning reflection. Set intentions before the day pulls you. Evening review. Evaluate your actions honestly. Journaling. Clarify your values, emotions, and choices. Voluntary discomfort. Train yourself to stay strong. Gratitude. Slow down and appreciate the present. Memento mori. Remember that life is short and precious. These practices make Stoicism not just a philosophy, but a lifestyle.
Why this book matters today. In a world full of distractions, noise, and emotional overwhelm, the Daily Stoic offers a rare gift: calmness, clarity, and control over your inner world. Instead of reacting to everything around you, you begin to live intentionally. Instead of letting emotions dominate you, you learn to master them. Instead of being tossed by life, you stand firm. This book doesn't just teach wisdom, it teaches mental freedom.
If you want a life of calmness, purpose, self-discipline, and emotional strength, the Daily Stoic is a must-read. It teaches you how to live better, not someday, but today. This was a 5-minute style summary presented by the Empowerment Library, where books become tools for a stronger, wiser, more intentional you. And great news! A full plus 15-minute deep summary of the Daily Stoic is coming this weekend, on Saturday, exclusively on the Empowerment Library. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and don't miss the complete breakdown.